谁？直播不是我。要联系他们的信息。Hello， 我们是做外贸直播的，你们是谁？跟我们对接啊？
外贸你好。
啊，你好 ，Hello。
你过来了是吧？
是的。
你们好早哎。
哇 ，Yes， what's your name?
My name is Iris.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, I'm Helen. Yeah,
Helen 你好。
Yeah， 你好。
不要再讲，怎么介绍？
介绍一下你们的产品，或者你们有些什么新产品啊，你们新技术那些东西。
Okay, hi everybody. This is Iris from Shenzhen Yuliang optoelectronic. It's very honored to introduce our company here. And you can see this is our company, Shenzhen Yuliang optoelectronic. We have over more than 16 years experience in LEDs manufacture. And here, okay. And we co-offer with Epistyle chip for over than 10 years, and this is our new LED series. You can see we do 3 segments for LEDs. First is LEDs for outdoor lighting, and the second is automotive lights, and third one is decorative lights. Yeah, this is decorative lights. And mostly I want to introduce our new LED series. Here is SMDLEDS LEDs with lens 3528 and 5050 with 30 degree. Yes, here you can. This is 5050. This is 3528. The most special is the lens. Yes, the lens. You can see the lens is with the lens LEDs with 30 degree. So the light beam angle will be 30 degree. With the lens, customers will be have a more narrow angle for the lights and more high output for the light. And here you can see the lights. You can light on the LEDs here: white color, red, green, blue, yellow. This is red. Okay, this is white. So we can do all colors for the lens LEDs. Okay, and this is the LEDs with LED strip display here. So next one, okay. Here, this is a new arrival also. The RGBW, the 2835 and 3528, W white, dual white. So if customers use 2 LEDs, you can do the 5-in-1, means RGB and WW LED for LED strips, 5 color. Okay, this is also for the LEDs light on here. You can check. And this is the LEDs for that strip display here. You can see. Yes, 5-in-1. We use Navisan and Creature. Okay, and also we have the dual white color, have 50-50, the more big size.
More big size, yeah.
Yeah, more big size. This one.
The dual LED.
Yeah, dual white LED. Yeah, here. We can do any color, white color, according to customers.
Different color can be.
Yeah,
great.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We can do 20,000 and even 6,000 or any, according to customers' request. We can OEM for them.
OEM with the different color.
Yeah. And this is the bending pad, so it's more stable. And when you do the LED strips and you twist it, then it's no easy to crack.
It's more easy to assemble. Is that right?
Mostly the LEDs in the market for dual white. That is the back top pad design. This is this one, but not with bending pad here. So it's not good for LED strips if the twist or assemble it.
The transport and easy to be protected. Is that right?
Yeah,
okay.
Exactly.
How about the minimum quantity about this
durable? Minimum quantity, that is 2,000 pieces per year. Yeah.
2,000 pieces.
If customers need to test, even we can offer 20 pieces or 100 pieces for free for customers to test.
Oh, it's good for free
Yeah.
sample. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. I think customer, if you want to take some sample, you can ask the beautiful
Yeah.
lady for the samples.
Yeah, ask me. Okay, this is the side-emitting series. You can see we can do white color and necessity from 1,000 color to 30,000 K.
Oh,
Yeah, all range.
The range is very wide.
Yeah, also we do SDM 3 steps. This is the very good color for the white color. Now mostly good high quality customers request this. So we do this. And also we do high CR line, like even 90 or 95 or even more high. And this is RGB series. Also this is side emitting, so we do full series. And this is the color emitting.
Oh, yeah, it's the
lighting from side, not
lighting
from the top.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a very old LEDs.
Oh, LED.
Released on 2014. Yeah. And this is our patent. One of them.
You have the patent of this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. Yeah.
And this is our new one. We launched it in 2019.
2019.
Yeah. This is RGB.
RGB different color.
Even the RGB makes the white color, the color consistency is very good. You can see here.
You can curve here.
Yeah.
The button. Different colors.
This is also new Yuliang in 2020. Okay. This one is your YZ series RGB and W. We do 0.8, 1.5 and 2 wattage RGB and white. And this is our YZ series also for dual white color. This is also for 2 wattage. But we're using 2 single chips each channel. Yes, 2 chips, and this is also 2. So we have 4 chips in these 2 channels. We also do the CCT according to customers' request. So this is OEM, no problem. Yeah, and you can see most of these LEDs using the LED wall washer light, stage light, and floodlight actually. Using the outdoor dedicated. Yeah, correct.
Okay. May I have your name? I forget your name.
Name card?
Yeah.
My name is Aris.
Aris. Oh yeah, Aris. Maybe you have your name card and then we take a picture here.
Sure. Wait a moment. 好了，我的名片呢？
Yeah.
Here. This is my name card. So here.
Yeah. Sorry, it's okay.
This is my name card. This is Iris Light. If you are interested about all like this, please contact me directly because you know this is very special time. Yeah, I hope all the for the world have a very safety.
Hope everyone's
safe
safety.
health. In 2001 and even in the future.
Yeah, keep wear the mask and then keep distance with each other. Yeah, keep distance with each other. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your detailed introduction. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah. See you next time.